Hello guys, this is the unboxing of my iPhone display. This one is iPhone 4S. I bought it from iFixit. Actually, this one is a replacement for my previous purchase. Uh, let's take a look. This is the new display with a discount coupon, few stickers from iFixit. The regular documentation. Actually, my previous display didn't have any problem. It just changed its color. Um, this one is the new display. Actually, this portion changed its color. This portion that turned into a creamish like color. I asked them why it changed color. They instead of replacing the old one, they just shipped me a new one, which is really great. This one is the new, which is pretty milky white. Thank you for watching the video.